What's up guys, Jim is here and I have something to share with you today. So for after 2 weeks, our order has finally arrived and I'm so excited to put this thing on to my bike. But before natin yung gawin, we'll just do unboxing and let's do it right now. So basically what we have here is a mirror, a grip, and a tripod. Ba't hindi yan kasali? Ito lang dalawa. Natin pag-usapan yung quality ng product. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko. So, let's go! So when it comes to quality of the product, actually I am pretty impressed lalo na sa side mirror kasi the side mirror is really good for its price and also itong grip na hawak-hawak. So the overall item was really good for its price. Imagine for only 250 pesos is meron ka ng side mirror and a grip. So isang rason bakit bumili ako ng side mirror is for safety purposes. Kasi it's not safe to ride a bike na walang side mirror. So kung walang side mirror ang motor mo, go and buy yourself a side mirror kasi it's for your own safety naman at napakamura lang. Sa halagang 250 or kung gusto mo ng mahal, you can buy yourself a side mirror para sa safety mo. That's all for today guys and see you for the part 2 of this video kasi this video is only for unboxing. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like. And with that being said, see you to my next video.